All right, everybody. This is Dan Murphy, your trusty reporter, and my trusty Sherpa porter here. Right, buddy? Good boy. All right. We're getting ready to go out because he's got to take a dump. So I have to venture out into the winter wonderland. So here we go. This will give you an idea of how bad it is. All right. Oh, brother, this is going to be fun. So these are where my steps used to be. So we're going to have to try and figure out where the hell they are. Wow, I don't know that I'm going to be able to take them for a while. Holy shit. We got quite a bit of snow last night. All right. Here we go. This is where my driveway was. I'm not quite sure where my driveway has gone. I gotta get out into the road where I can actually walk. Now, if you get a shot back there, you can see how high the drifts are on my house. So needless to say, hey, Sasquatch, get back here. So needless to say, we got freaking hammered. It's still snowing. It's about 7 a.m. here. Porter, sit. 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 Good boy. Needless to say, it's about 7 a.m. here. It's still snowing. That's better. Woo! Porter, come. All right, Porter, go potty. Go potty. Porter, go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Ah, there. That's a good boy. I bet you his wiener's cold right now. So, everybody, from here in Cary, Illinois, this is your trusty reporter, Dan Murphy, saying, it's fucking cold and snowy. Ciao.